Welcome to Wondertales. On a sun-drenched morning, our little hero, Maya, found herself near the garden, her eyes sparkling with curiosity. She noticed a trail of watermelon seeds leading into the woods. Intrigued, Maya followed the trail. As she ventured further, an unusual sound reached her ears, a chorus of splishing and splashing, punctuated by a playful gurgle. Peeking past the tall trees, she discovered the source of the sound, a vibrant waterfall gushing with pink watermelon juice. The air was fragrant with summer scents. Maya cautiously tasted the juice. A delightful rush of sweetness sent her bounding high into the air, landed on a cushion resembling a giant watermelon slice, laughing joyously. This waterfall was certainly hit among the woodland creatures. Squirrels, birds, and a bunny were all delighting in the sweet, fruity cascade. But then the stream of juice began to dwindle. Maya's heart sank. "Oh no, the waterfall is getting tired," she exclaimed. She started to hum a gentle melody. Waterfall beamed and sprung back to life with a victorious splash. It remained vibrant, a symbol of kind hearts and happy songs. This magical place, discovered by our brave little Maya, is a reminder that even the most ordinary things could hold the most extraordinary secrets. Thanks for splashing into the watermelon juice waterfall. Stay fruity, stay silly, and we'll see you in the next juicy tale. Bye for now.